Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So, thanks for your love and affection for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe and share your comments where other things I can improve. And today I brought this informative video after Gemini releases its 2.0. If you look at this particular release, the Google pushes the price war. So there is a price war happening between deepseek, Gemini, and OpenAI, and Google at this moment won it. Um, the reason is very simple. If you go and look the kind of like price which Gemini is giving, it's quite incredible, and I'm gonna show the all those analytics in terms of like how to use Gemini in your enterprise ones, and enabling the agentic era, which means like when you look at 2025, we call as a agentic era, because in this era we are trying to work with the different agentic frameworks, and agentic evolution is happening. One, and if you still not subscribe my channel, here is my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and share your comments as well. Let's deep dive. Gemini pushes the price war. The reason why I will say is that if you look at that Gemini 2.0 Flash, currently the cheapest and best non-reasoning model. If you look at the artificial analysis quality index, which is on your left hand side, and if you look at the price for uh, the number of tokens, Gemini 2.0 Flash is pretty less. So it's less than $1. If you look at like more than 6 million token, so that's how Gemini is gonna be in the market. And it's open for the developer community. I'm gonna show it. It's releases 2.0 Flash and 2.0 Flash Lite as well. So it shows like how many number of the audio input, text outputs, and context caching. If you look at the price in here, it's very uh, I can call us cheapest when you try to do with a multimodal LLMs. And here is a price index. If you look at like the one released by the open source is $60. It's charging for more than 1 million token. And when it comes to Gemini 2.0 Pro experimental, it's gonna gives you 2 million token output, but it's, if you look at the price, it's way cheaper than its competitor one. And Llama 3.18 billion, it's still be there. Okay, so if you look at 1 million token, uh, is a general norm. So uh, Gemini 2.0, if you it's generally available. That's what the CTO said to everyone. And context window is 1 million, and Gemini 2.0 Flash Premium context window is 1 million. And Gemini 2.0 Pro experiment, it's gonna release, it's gonna come for a 2 million one. So let's understand the token. So tokens can be a single character like the entire Z or entire whole world like a cat. So long words are broken into the several tokens. That's where we call it 1 million token, the window. We call it, the more the token window is going to be, the more agentic understanding, and it's give you the better output to us. And that's more essential when you have a larger output or input window with lesser cost, and then you can play with your agentic application in enterprise level and start getting the proper responses. Uh, Pricing is very aggressive move here because Gemini undercut the competitive provider in the market and increase its cost, productivity, and collaboration tools, and it's emerged this model as the winner when it comes to the price. Even when it compared to the competitor, it's way ahead of the pricing ones. And Gemini 2.0 is available for everyone. And if you wanted, like, I'm gonna show you like how to use that as well. And we can build the apps with real-time multimodal interactions. So what that it means that the cost is lesser into your enterprise one, and you can utilize this to build a real-time multimodal interactions with your agentics. And it has a huge token window size as well, so it's a great win for the enterprises. And when it comes to the performance wise, it's incredibly done good. It boosting superior quality when it's compared, and it's performed pretty impressive with across the benchmarks. And furthermore, it has a processing rate of 134 tokens per second. It's quite incredible, and it's outperformed when it compared to the competitor. And its response is zero point 0.9 seconds when the first token time to first token. So it's quite impressive, and the 2 million tokens is a significantly a game change here. And when you look at to their previous releases and 2.0 flashlight, 2.0 flash, and 2.0 pro experiment, it's done pretty good into the various benchmarks. So in general, the code reasoning and multilingual max 2.0 flash is 90.9 and pro is 91.8. It's very good for reasoning one. Okay, so let's see the Gemini Pro benchmarks when it compares to here. Um, if you look at here, the quality wise, it stands on uh, 3. If you look at the highlights, and O1 is it still be the impressive, and the speed it stands on and 2 and third, and OpenAI is still winning it here. And price, it's pretty cheaper when it compares to the other models. And it's very less. And output input speed, it's doing pretty good it here when it compared to its deepseek R1 and Mistral models. It's good, and quality wise it stands on a fourth, and reasoning it's doing on a fourth one. And the context window size, it stays in the middle when mini max text is gonna be a leader it here. And context window, it's on second place. Pricing wise, it's stays into the top tier. So overall, if you look at speed, output speed, the Gemini 2.0 is doing pretty good. And if you look at the latency wise, it's staying at 6.9. It's compared to and it stays in the middle. And the real time response, which I said it right, it's zero point 0.9. It's quite impressive. So overall, if you look at the Gemini ones, it's doing pretty incredible job at there. And let's go and try something with the prompt. Like, let's see how much fast it's gonna comes at the Gemini 2.0 flash window size. So let's run. So it's if you look at like it comes pretty fast. It summarized the model. Um, it has a mixture of agent routing, a long context window. It's designed to handle the LLM for a document or conversation or code base, and it has variable length and efficiency in the cost. It's also pretty good, and I can play with the flash is there, and flashlight and pro, and thinking one as well. I can click it the thinking. Oh, I can let me ask like uh, any math reasoning one. Um, uh, let's ask a simple mathematical one. Sum of 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus plus 19. I'm just trying it. Let's see how fast it gonna calculate. So it's super fast. Like it's immediately do it. Let's say multiply these numbers. So if you look at like it answers me um, into less than 1, but it's multiplied 6 into 9 49, and into 1 100, and it says 0 because I have given it, and total answer is gonna be 0 because I put 0 in the middle. Let's say it's like multiply 10 into 8 into 9 into 12 into 13 into 15, right? So how many seconds? I think like less than 6 seconds. It less than 9 seconds. It should throw me the answer. Yeah. So yes, that's right. So it's throw me the answer in less than 8.9, 8.6 seconds. So you can understand, right? The ones, and it has a code execution one. The people who doesn't know this, you can go and you can add your sequence, output length. You can modify it to it, and I can share those links to you. Whoever wants it, like they can ping me. I can share those details to you. And the token size, which I talks about, and context size I have talks about, and the pricing one, it's very important for the enterprise wise. So rate limit is 15 rpm, request per minute, and input pricing and output pricing is free, and grounding with Google search is 500. It's pretty impressive. We can try it into Google AI Studio, which I did it, and we have the with Vertex AI as well, with the building enable it. Like it's pretty impressive when it looks for enterprise. That's the reason I brought this one, and you can start playing with it, and let's see how fast it's gonna respond to it. And this is a very interesting AI model evolution one. I can go ahead and try to which are the models which I wanted to use it for my enterprise. It's gonna gives me those details. Thanks for watching it. Please like and subscribe for more in videos. Thanks everyone.